Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice math test problem where a lot of people thought that the answer for this one is supposed to be 4. But that, my dear friends, is incorrect. Now why like that? See, understand, whenever you come across a question which has got division, multiplication, roots, you always follow the rule of either BODMAS or PEMDAS. Okay, so now in BODMAS and PEMDAS, first thing which we do over here is, see, either we do the parentheses or bracket, but since there was no parentheses, no bracket, so then we will go to the order or the exponents. So here first we'll finish off or we'll understand what is root 16. Now please understand, root of a positive value will always get you a positive answer. Okay, so you might be wondering, then when do I have a plus minus situation with roots? That only happens if you have a variable involved. Okay, so whenever you have a variable involved, because the nature of the variable is that it keeps changing its value, only then the value will have a plus minus sign ahead of it when you are taking roots. But otherwise, if you are trying to find out root of a positive value, then the answer is just positive. So this gets you 4, divide by 1 by 4 into 4. Now, a lot of people think that let's cancel this. And this gets you 4 divided by 1 and that gets you 4. Now, that is absolutely incorrect. Now, why like that? So, we'll go back to the original question which was 4 divided by 1 upon 4 into 4. Now, whenever you have a sum which involves division and multiplication, please understand, in BODMAS we give importance to division and in PEMDAS a lot of people give importance to multiplication. That is incorrect. Whenever you have a sum like this, you just have to go from left to right. Why like that? Because division and multiplication are equal in priority. So whatever operation happens first on your left hand side has to be done first. So in this case, we have to do division. So now we'll do 4 divided by 1 by 4. So whenever you have division, you will follow the rule of KCF, where K stands for keeping the first number as it is. C stands for changing the division sign to multiplication. F stands for flipping or taking reciprocal of 1 upon 4, which is just 4 into 4. So now you get 16. 4 into 4 is 16 into 4. So answer comes out to be 64. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.